What dealers hide about fixing P0420 without spending thousands? Most catalytic converter failures are not mechanical breakdowns but carbon deposits from low-speed city driving. Japanese taxi fleets developed a free driving technique to burn off these deposits, restoring efficiency without replacement. 83 to 84% success rate in tested vehicles. The technique requires a half tank of fuel, engine at normal temperature, and access to a highway for sustained driving. Clear codes first and note them. Phase 1. Drive normally for 5 minutes, then accelerate smoothly to 65 miles per hour and hold for 5 minutes. This brings the converter to operating temperature. Phase 2. Accelerate smoothly to 75 miles per hour and hold for 10 minutes. Exhaust temperature reaches 900 to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, burning carbon deposits while increased flow scours them out. Phase 3. Reduce to 65 miles per hour for 2 minutes, exit the highway, and drive normally for 5 to 10 minutes to cool gradually and avoid thermal shock. Drive normally for 24 to 48 hours afterward to complete drive cycles and allow the computer to retest efficiency. If the check engine light, P0420, stays off after 2 cycles, the converter is restored. The method works because sustained high exhaust temperatures, above 800 degrees Fahrenheit, combust carbon deposits into carbon dioxide gas. Normal short trip driving keeps converters too cool, 200 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, for burn-off, allowing buildup. Common mistakes that reduce effectiveness. Using commercial converter additives, only 12% success rate versus 84% for the technique. Constant short trip driving without weekly 30-minute highway runs. Ignoring upstream engine issues like misfires, oil consumption, or bad injectors that reclog the converter. Using low-quality non-top-tier fuel with higher sulfur and fewer detergents. Giving up after one attempt. Heavily clogged converters often need 2 to 3 sessions spaced a week apart. The technique cannot fix melted honeycomb, shattered ceramic, or chemically poisoned catalysts, from leaded fuel, improper sealants, or certain oils. Perform a rattle test. No rattle equals intact structure, and consider back pressure testing before assuming failure.